Hello everybody and welcome back to this new video. Today we're going to be talking about a crypto challenge from the AUCTF. This is the extraordinary challenge. We have a long description that doesn't really matter, but then we have a server that we can connect to and a binary string. So let's connect to the server. Seems like we get a prompt. Let's input some garbage and we get back a whole lot of non-printable characters. So that kind of verifies for me that this is probably a bitwise operation. Let's play around with it a little more. Let's do a 1, 2, 3, 4. And I noticed that the 1 resulted in a P, the 3 resulted in a P as well. So that probably means that if this is a bitwise operation, that it's not just some linear thing happening on every character. So it's probably something with a key, which kind of makes me think of XOR. Now, if this were XOR, then when we input the output from a previous command, we should get the input again, and that's the case. So for me currently, it's verified this is XOR. Now, what does it mean that this is XOR? Well, if we were to input this, we would get the result back. But then if we use this as a key and a result as the text, and try to encrypt that, then we would get a key back from this operation. So I'm going to show that. So we're going to put our data into the connection. Because this is a lot of weird characters, that's how we're going to deal with it. So let's do a print. And let's print this data. I actually don't want this to be a binary string. Let's see what happens. Who lives in a pineapple under, and then it messes up, which could be because of these backslashes that are going to well, try to escape a character. So we're just going to double the important backslashes here. And then we get who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Now if we input who lives in a pineapple under the sea, we get the exact same structure back, right? So let's try using these in CyberChef and see if we can get the key that was used for this XOR back. So I'm going to copy this one, put it in a CyberChef. We're then going to grab XOR. We need a key for that. This is going to be our key, but we can't just use it like that because of all of these non-printable characters. So we're going to turn that into hex. So that's going to be a binary string, and we're going to turn that into hex. Right. So now that we have that, we can use this as a key, and there our flag appears. So that was it for this challenge. I think the most difficult part here was to identify that we're working with XOR. Once you had kind of identified that, the challenge was kind of straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. See ya.